Okay, everybody. So I'll give you a little rundown on the trailer today. And I made a video earlier this week that I was gonna, or actually last weekend, that I was gonna go ahead and publish. However, for some reason my microphone wasn't working, so there's video but no sound. I guess I could kind of narrate it, but this seems to be easier. So I'm going to flip you around here and give you a quick rundown on the trailer and how far I've made it. I'm really, really excited. So, all right, here we go. Let's see if I can flip you around. Okay, so I ended up changing my mind, and I cut a bunch of the pallets, and the problem is they're heavy. They're really, really heavy. And since I'm trying to keep the weight down, I ended up buying a bunch of 2x3s. And, you know, my time is worth more than the less than $100 for the 2x3s. I'm going to have to get a few more. And then I was going to use them for the rafters, and they're way too heavy for that too. So bottom line is I have rafters up in the front and the back walls. The rafters are just regular 2x4s, and the walls are all 2x3s. Super light, like 1 5-foot board of the solid oak weighs about the same as 4 to 5 of these 2x3s. So it was a no-brainer to go ahead and do that. So I got to run some pieces across in between the joists, and then I'm ready to start on the walls here and my windows and all of that stuff. It's all here where I'm standing here in the front. Approximately there'll be a small shed window, and then directly across there'll be another one. As I move back here to the kitchen area, which is going to be 48 inches long right here, refrigerator in the corner, on up to about middle of that's 48 inches where those two red and blue pipes come up. So it'll be right about here, about center with the tire. And under the cabinets here, I'm going to have my hot water heater and various and assorted other things that I need. I got all my plumbing done. This is my wall vent drain. I may just vent that outside. I haven't decided yet, but it's got to get air down into the gray water tank anyways. And my shower. So all the air for the shower and everything will come from here. I still have fresh water there, which feeds up to here, and I got blue for the toilet over there, red for hot water, and blue for cold water coming up over there. So I'll tee the blue here, one to the sink, one to the hot water heater, and then the hot water heater right back down. I'm probably going to go blue up into and I already have it, a whole house filter. I was reading or watching a show last night on YouTube about the 10 things you certainly don't need for living in an RV, and one was an internal filter. They said just hook a hose up to a filter on the outside and that's plenty. Well, that's all good and great, but you never know what's, we're gonna make sure that we keep that clean, but still, right? I don't need any bacteria or anything growing in my freshwater tank that might come up. So I'm probably going to filter it going in and filter it as it comes out. So that'll be great. So back here again, 2x3s, and these I probably don't need these anymore to stabilize them. This will be my door right here. So I'll make it a little shorter, build a header, and I'm actually going to build the door. And then over here, this will be the bath. I had to go buy a toilet this weekend. I went to Campers World and did that. They had a super Memorial Day deal, and I didn't know my pool guys were here, so they're here. Um, and you know, my Blackwater tank is ready for drain. Um, Somebody said I need to put a vent on that, and I may do that as well. Um, I don't know yet. You guys tell me. I can do it from the bottom and get a vent on there. My shower drain's up a little high. I found some really lightweight flooring and wallboard for it's called like Go Board or something at Lowe's. It's kind of expensive, but you know. And then they have this this new waterproof linoleum snap together tiles for the walls, and then I'm still planning on doing like regular tile for the floor. So I'm getting there. I got to build my couch here, cabinets, all kinds of stuff. I just, you know, I want to get it weatherproof as quick as I can. We're kind of in a rainy season apparently. Apparently it's no longer April showers, but it's May showers. So it's been raining almost every day. So I'm trying to keep everything as dry as I can. I'm getting ready to put a tarp up here in a minute. And but as you can see, I treated this already, but it has grown a little bit of stuff right here in the corner, and that's why this fan is on down there. So it just got a little bit of water right there on the floor. So, but other than that, everything looks really good, and I'm really excited. So I've got pretty much everything I need to finish it. I've got a dorm fridge that came from my daughter. I've got my hot water heater. My windows are here. All my electrical is here. I'm probably going to want more solar panels than just 2 from what I've been reading. But that's okay. I can add those as I see a need for them. I don't have to add them all right away. So it is a lot taller than I thought it was going to be. But you know what? That's okay. So I wanted to be able to like live in it. So it's going to be fine. So anyways, that's a quick update on my trailer build. And this weekend, as I really get going, I'll set up a GoPro and you guys can watch me work. So, all right. Y'all have a great day, and enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, follow, all those great things. Leave me any comments if you think I'm doing something wrong. You know, that kind of stuff. So thank you very much. See you in the next one.